Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the box, unplug power, and remove all USB devices so nothing interferes. Once done, confirm you downloaded the exact X96 firmware image for your board and the Amlogic flashing utility on your Windows PC, because wrong firmware bricks devices. Make sure you have a good micro USB cable or micro SD with adapter and a card reader. Without reliable media, the process fails. Next, power the PC tools and prepare the image for transfer. You now put the device into recovery by locating and holding the reset pin or button while applying power until the recovery screen appears. This forces the bootloader to accept new firmware. Then connect via USB and launch the Amlogic USB burning tool or use your validated card image method. Select the firmware, check the checksum, and start. Watch the progress and be patient. Let it reach 100% and report success. Once the tool confirms completion, leave it alone for the next step. After flashing, perform a factory reset from the recovery menu to clear old configs. This prevents boot loops and ensures system files align. Reboot and walk through Wi-Fi and account setup, then immediately update Play Store and system patches so the box stabilizes. If you hit errors, try again with a different USB cable or another Windows PC. Confirm the firmware variant matches your board. As a last resort, use Serial Console or JTAG recovery if available. Those methods expose board-level control but need care.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.